Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I still remain my humble self, Dima Aneke, and welcome to DBC Creations. Sorry for not uploading for some time because I'm kind of busy, so I decided to make this video on how to cut your bustier or how to cut your princess bustier. So from here, our bust is what we are going to use because it's the largest part of, and our bust is 36. And 36 divided by 4. 36 divided by 4 will give us 9. So here is 9. So I'm going to add like extra, 9. So let's start from here. You know, we are going to cut this weaving out. So 9. So I'm going to add extra 3 inches to this. So here is where our measurement will start. So I'm going to fold it again. This is just the front part from, and this is our starting point also. So, and the length that we are using for this is, the length is 17. So what I love doing is I love adding half inch here for my seam allowance. After making a straight line, so I'm not going to start from the original line. I'm going to start from that half inch that I drew for our starting point. So I'm going to mark out 17. So here is 17. So from this length, we are going to add half inch. Guys, remember, don't add anything more than half inch for your seam allowance. So since the full length and everything is ready, guys, my bust to bust is, I'm going to use 8 for this top. If your bust is more bigger than mine, you can as well add your half inches from here, so that your bust will be exactly at that 8. So for instance, we are going to add half inch to show you guys. Guys, I don't know, but all this online tutorial is not working for me. So this is our half inch for the 4, then this is our front part. So we are going to do, since it's an off shoulder cut, so I'm going to minus 7 from here. 7. Then after minusing 7, guys, I'm going to add half inch for the seam allowance, inch to work with. So since I have marked out my princess bustier, or the length I want my off shoulder to be, so this is what I'll be working with. I'm not going to work with this. Okay guys, this is our full length. So I'm going to start from here. Here is where I want the princess, the off shoulder to start, and here is our bust point, and here is the under bust, guys. So I'm going to, this is 3. So guys, this is our chest, this is our bust, and this is our under bust. So guys, what I love doing here is, since here is our bust, since here is our bust and here is our under bust, so from here I'll mark out 1 inch, 1 inch here, 1 inch here, and 3 will be here. So I'm going to 1 inch here, 1 inch here, and I'm going to mark out half inch from here. This is half inch, and this is half inch. So, and this is our point. So from here now, So from here, guys, this is what I love doing. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. So from here, I'll make a curve, just a little bit curve, and come up and come down here. And so from here, I'm going to make another curve and come down here. Guys, can you see? Make sure that when curving, that your fabric have enough bust curve. So from here, so guys, from here now, you can as well add extra inches. That's my tactics. You can here add another half inches if you like if you like, so that your cup, as in your breast cup, will look so perfect. And so, like, guys, your breast cup will look so perfect. So from here, from those points now, from this your bust point, we are going to make another curve to reach here. Let's make the curve and I will show you guys. So you are going to make the curve. Guys, make sure that when making the curve, that the curve is not pointing. Guys, did you see this curve? Did you see? So from here now, if you feel that this cup will not be enough for you guys, or you will not, guys, I'm not sure, but I want you guys to like pay attention to what I'm saying. So from here now, if you feel that the cup is not enough for you, guys, you can as well increase your inches. Either you increase it inwards or you increase it outwards. So since we are working with this, guys, this is 5, this is 4, and here has already decreased to 3.25, and here is 3.6 here. This curve is enough. So all you have to do is to come a little bit in. Did you see what I did? Come a little bit in, and here just a little bit in also. Guys, did you see the difference? And here now, if you like, you come in, but I'm not advising for you guys to come in. Just come a little bit in, or you remain at that place. And here, just shift a little bit depending on your bust. So guys, since we have achieved here, all I have to, since we have achieved our curve, our breast curve and everything, all I have to do is my chest, which is from here, is 35. So 35 divided by 4 will give me 8.75. And see how I measure my full length, 8.75. So from here to here is 3.25. So 3.25, I'm going to start from 3.25 here and measure my 8 points and continue my 8.75. So 8.75 will be somewhere here. Guys, did you see why we added extra 3 inches? And I'm going to add my 1.5 inch, which is here. Guys, do you see? So my bust is 36, and 36 divided by 4 will give me 9. So from here is 4. Here is 4. So I'm going to mark out. Guys, did you see? Here is 4, and there's some space here. I'm going to shift it to come exactly at the other side and mark out my 9 and add my 1.5 inch. Remember that here is 1.5, and we are going to add that 1.5 here. And this my under bust. So from here, I'm going to cut out from here using the same. So I'm going to remove this and make a straight line from here and then cut out. So this is where I want the word to stop. So this is where I want it to stop. So I'm going to mark out, continue my cutting. It's better to hold your fabric and make a notch with the word so that you will know. So since I'm through with this, I'm going to make another curve, and I will show you guys how everything looks like. So guys, this is how it will look like. So see you guys in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to drop your comments down below. Love you guys so much, and I promise that from now on I'm going to be doing upload every week. So bye, and see you guys in my next video.